Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time or stopping by this channel, then you're heartily welcome, and please do consider clicking on that red bell subscribe button. Also click on the notification bell that pops up just immediately you subscribe, so YouTube can notify you whenever I post a new videos like this one. On this channel I post about health, benefits and DIYs. Alright, so if you're not following, if you're not subscribed, please endeavor to click that red bell subscribe button. Alright, okay, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to use Bitterkola nuts and alligator pepper for protection. How to protect yourself with Bitterkola nuts and alligator pepper. If you don't know what Bitterkola nut is, I'm going to insert a picture for you. If you also don't know what alligator pepper is, I'm also going to insert a picture for you. Okay, before I get into what I have today for you, I want to say something. I want to make something clear to some of you. The fact that I say that something is natural, that something has a procedure, a process, does not mean that that thing is diabolical. Example, when I say don't chew this, just put it in your mouth, it doesn't mean it's diabolical. It's just the process, it's just the procedure. When I say put this in your pocket, don't chew it, don't do anything with it, just put it in your pocket, it's just a procedure, it's just a process. It's as good as your doctor telling you, take this medicine and take it 30 minutes after meal, or take it 1 hour after meal, and don't take it before meal, or take it 30 minutes before you go to bed at night, or take it 1 hour before you go to bed at night. It's just a procedure, just a process, it's just a way to make that medicine or that thing to work very well for you. It doesn't mean it's diabolical. Okay, everything has a process, a procedure, how it is done. You have to do things accordingly for it to work for you to get the best results. All right, into today's video, how to use alligator pepper and Bitterkola for protection. Let me take Bitterkola first. How do you use Bitterkola for protection? If you want to make use of Bitterkola for protection, what you do is to just get 1 Bitterkola. Yes, just 1. Remember I said I will insert a picture for you. 1 Bitterkola, and put it inside your mouth. So when you have any occasion to go to, be it a wedding, white wedding, be it a traditional wedding, be it a naming ceremony, be it anything, anywhere you want to go to, and you feel like you want that extra confidence, just take 1 Bitterkola and put it inside your mouth, and that is it. Just go to where you want to go to and come back. You are safe and sound. Okay, remember, just put it inside your mouth. Don't go and chew it, just leave it inside your mouth. All right, okay. How do you use alligator pepper for protection? Just take 7 seeds of alligator pepper. The seeds of alligator pepper are tiny. Just take 7 of them and put it inside your pocket. So take 7 seeds of alligator pepper and put it inside your pocket. Then go where you want to go to and come back, and that is it. All right, okay loves, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me thumbs up and see you in my next video. Remain blessed.